Hello, I'm Nerida and I'm here with Sashi, the Masterchef extraordinaire from Sashi's Secrets.
So we have a couple of nice Malaysia, Singapore type of food, and especially this sweet and sour pork. If you go to any hawker centers in Singapore,
Oh yes, love
this
those.
is something that people love eating for lunch.
Yes.
You can mix and match with anything. Like
Yes.
for example, if you don't like pork, you can change it with chicken or even fried fish, deep fried tofu.
Yum.
You can use paneer. You can use any vegetables that is in the fridge, any leftover vegetables. The more, the better.
Yes.
Shall we start?
Yes.
Okay. So let's start with coating the pork.
Okay.
So you got about 500 grams of pork loin, which I've cut into thin strips. So yeah,
In it goes.
all goes in
Yep.
and mix it through. Coat it well. So yeah, I've coated them.
Beautiful.
So shall we
Yes.
fry them now?
Yes, let's do this. So we're pan frying today because you're trying to keep my diet in mind.
I'm just gonna dump everything easy. Spread them out nicely because you want every single bit to have a nice caramelization going on. We will cook this for approximately 2 minutes on each side. So now I'm gonna turn the pork. So once the pork is cooked, then we can add the sauce, the vegetables, and the condiments. And your pineapples. I'm going to reduce the heat so that the sauce doesn't splatter that much. Once the sauce comes to a boil, I'm going to add the vegetables that I have here. The spice pack I have here.
Yes.
So if you want a bit more chili, you can add the chilies.
We do.
And give it a good mix. Make sure it coats all the vegetables. Cook them for about 2 minutes and you are done. Okay, let's plate up.
I'm excited. My favourite part. That smells so delicious.
I would love some nice fresh corianders on top just to break down that color.
Yes. Now look, that is a dinner fit for a king.
Yeah.
And if there's just 2 of you, then you have lunch tomorrow as well.
Yes, you do.
Singaporean style. Love it.